Hello, and welcome to Retire Earlier. Are you sick and tired of the investment community? Do you want to control your own investment future? Well, why don't you take that power back? Join the Retire Earlier movement today to achieve your investing goals. You can make it happen now. Retire Earlier is an educational tool built for the regular investor to try and level the playing field by taking the same information that the big guys get and turning it into something we can all use. It's a long-term stock market risk management tool that helps you to take control of your financial future. It is a signal that will show you when it's the safest time to be invested in the stock market and when it's best to get out. And quite frankly, isn't that what we all want? Every month, you'll get the new signal to let you know what the current level of risk is in the stock market. It's easy. There are only 3 signals: green, yellow, and red. When the signal is green, market conditions are good. When the signal is yellow, be more cautious. The market may be about to change direction. When the signal is red, stop. Risks are rising, and this is not a good time to be invested in stocks. Okay, let's see how a group of friends, Bob, Fred, and Steve, are getting on. New Year's Eve 2006.
Happy New Year. Hey, how did your investments go this year? I was up 16%.
Wow, that's great, Bob. I was up 15%.
Great news! I was up 13%. Looks like we all did well.
New Year's Eve 2007.
Happy New Year. That was a tough year. My investments were up only 5%.
Yeah, tough. I was up 3%.
I managed 7%.
New Year's Eve 2008.
Happy New Year. I got killed last year. I lost 40%.
You did better than me. I lost 50%.
Sorry to hear that, guys.
Hey, how did you go, Steve?
I really don't want to say.
Why, Steve? Was it bad?
No, I was up 1%.
What, up 1% in this market?
How did you do that?
Well, I had a little help from Retire Earlier.
Retire earlier? What's that?
It is in the newsletter I follow that tells me when to get in or out of the market.
Why didn't you tell us?
Guys, I did. You just didn't listen.
Where can we find out how this works?
Just visit their website. Best decision I made. When you save for your retirement, the #1 rule is do not lose money. I'm going to miss those guys on the golf course when I retire, as I am sure they will still be working.
We've got to check this out, Fred.
You bet.
Okay, www.retirearlier.com.
Yes, that's it.
Check this out. Retire Earlier started getting out of the market in September 2007.
And completely in cash by December 2007.
I lost 40% last year, so I need to make 67% to get back to even.
I lost 50%. I need to make 100% to get back to even.
I think we need to be using the Retire Earlier service.
I'm signing up right now.
New Year's Eve 2009.
Happy New Year. Thanks, Steve, for getting us on to Retire Earlier.
Yeah, I could have panicked and sold at the bottom, but I didn't.
Retire Earlier put us back in just after the market bottomed.
I feel so much safer now, and so do my family.
Bob and I are back on track.
I am happy for all of us.
4th of July 2014.
Happy 4th of July. Last year was a great year, up 30%.
Retire Earlier just keeps on picking the trend.
We are all doing really well.
Not only are we doing great, but all my family and friends are subscribers too.
Same with me.
That's right. You just have to go to www.retirearlier.com to take control of your financial future.
Thanks for listening. To find out more, continue reading below.